Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily start an LLC in Rhode Island. So let's start. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link that you will see in the description. Then you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is a really good company for creating LLCs all around the USA. And one of the states that you can create it is Rhode Island. So what you want to do is just simply click LLC here. And then start your business with a confidence. What do you want to call your LLC? Let's go with the Marcus Tonelius. You just choose a name. Then you just check availability here. Now when you got it, in what states would you like to form Marcus Tonelius? Let's go with the Rhode Island. Now when we got it, click search. And then just simply add here your email address. Really simple, really easy. Now get my LLC. Now, when do you want to launch? Let's go with it soon. And now, okay, this is like, you don't need to read this, continue. Like the most important thing, guys, before we start also, what I recommend after having business for like 8 years, outsource all the legal stuff, all the creating company, accountancy, business stuff, just outsource it to someone, pay for it. And what you want to focus is on entrepreneurship. All your focus should be there, not on like on taxes and stuff like that. Let your accountant cover it. How to create an LLC, let like your agent cover it. Don't care about it, honestly. And because I see many times when people are starting with a business, they always, what they do, they have their own mind in how is the accounting is going to work and how should I create an LLC in the most difficult way possible so I can't even start a business yet. But this is just my recommendation. Now, is Marcus Tonelius your first LLC? Yes. Let's go. What you will do? Let's say that I'm going to be in e-commerce. Continue. And now, will Marcus Tonelius have employees in the first year? Let's go with the no. You can also have yes. Now, by law, you will require a registered agent. So this is what I'm talking about. This is an official address service for state and card documents. You will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So, documentation. See assurance services. Now, first, you can also relax with our registered agent with a LegalZoom. You can read it here. And now, how can LegalZoom help? They can literally help you with everything that you need. Really up to you. Now, just continue with LegalZoom. That's my recommendation. And now you have options, save time and money on your essential documents. So the first thing is you can have like operating agreement or operating agreement plus ein or operating agreement and licenses. I recommend going with the complete coverage so you get like everything fulfilled. Like the difference in pricing is not that high in my opinion, but again, you can maybe choose only the middle one or the first one, up to you. Now I will go with the complete coverage because that's what I recommend. Now business service Marcus Tonelius. See business services. First, you get like legal protect for Marcus Tonelius for your company. Now, affordable protection, legal guidance, go unlimited. Again, you don't have to take the trial. You can go with the no thanks. You can have like legal guidance here with a LegalZoom. Now, total compliance, again, risk. We've got your bag. We help you set up and stay compliant. Peace of mind. If we miss anything, we pay for the fine and penalty. If you want to, you can get it. If you have the experience, like people around your companies would need it, you can take the trial. But again, I will go with the no thanks right now. And then we're going to see the package. Now you have option to choose between economy, which is like 30 business days, or standard or express gold. I recommend choosing between standard and express gold because when you would see actually what they offer, like the business, the Express Gold is one thing which I like, that 7 days a week, lifetime customer support. And this is huge because they can actually help you with everything. So then what I would do is just simply click Express Gold or Economy, again, up to which one you choose, guys. Express Gold, and then you can like create also in Bank of America your account. Let's go with the no thanks. And check out. Now here it's going to pay $700, but still you can like choose it differently and choosing like the standard version of the package. Or operating agreement, you can go with I know with licenses, but again, You can choose it and then continue to checkout. And here you just fill everything. They will contact you on email and voila, you got it. And this is how you can simply start an LLC in Rhode Island. So thank you very much, everybody, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.